Well, when you use your car like I use mine, sometimes they're gonna break on you. She let me down on the way home from the cruise in one afternoon on my grandson's birthday. It's his favorite car, and that's what he wanted to do, is go for a ride in it. Well, we got it probably about 3/4 of the way done. We got there and got almost home. The slave cylinder went out in it, which kept me from getting it out of gear and getting it in gear. And it happened going up a hill, so you can only imagine how frustrating it was. Luckily, my son was behind me in the old 36 Ford pickup truck and was able to pull over and give us some support. Got it in second gear finally, and I was able to use the starter to turn the car over enough to pull it forward, along with my son pushing on the rear wheel. Was able to kick it off and limp home. So, diverted the old going back and getting it with the trailer kind of thing. But the slave cylinder went out on it, and when I put the slave cylinder on, I didn't do a cheap one. I did the Wheelwood. You know, very good product, and they've never let me down before, but this time it did. These things run about $100, 90 to $100. You can buy the cheaper ones anywhere from $25 to $55. I chose this one so it wouldn't let me down. And it lasted about 5 or 6 years. So, you know, I guess that's okay. You'd hope something like this would last a lot longer and not leave you stranded, give you some type of warning. But the seal that's in this cylinder right here, where it comes out underneath the rubber boot, the boot was keeping it from showing that it was leaking. So it had all leaked out into this boot and leaked out enough to where it wouldn't work and left me stranded. So when I pulled the boot off to see if it was a slave cylinder, I found it all in my face. So I chose to go back with the same brand that I did before, not sponsored, don't owe them a dime, and they didn't supply me with any new parts because it was out of warranty. Let's dive in and see if we can't get this old car back on the road. Well, tight quarters. All right, there's the nut that we've got to get off of the fork so we can't follow this back. There's the part that was leaking. Right there. Up in there. Now we gotta get the line off, and then we can start back with the install. Well, we got it fixed. We can't let it stop us. Well guys, thanks for watching. Not much of a video. Just want to let you know that things do break. Don't sweat it. Get out there and fix it. The whole thing took about 30 minutes to repair. $100. Hey, that's cheap compared to what could have happened, I guess. So don't let that stop you from riding around in your hot rod. There's always somebody there to help you fix it, come get you, or buy you an ice cream cone. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that little like thing and help this channel grow. Watch some more videos. But when you get tired of watching, Get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys on the next episode.